Kipulit Jylla Kem CEO President ke Ksu Nongmensong Union, Uba Dei Ruh Assistant Organizing Secretary ke Ksu, Ujermaya Potmi, Hakaba Yadei Bakajing Thombor Kabrangshen. Hakani Kajing Kem, Kajing Kenjong Kibala Shah Kem, Kalaposh Sangwan, USP ke East Khasi Hills ba Vivek Siem, Ula Pentip ba Kajing Toket Kanang Yat Chakman, Bat Kipulit Kipan Custody Kibala Shah Kem. Ula Ongru, Balathaw ke Special Investigation Team, Ban Pinstead Kajing Toket, But when ithu ya baro kibdan kti hagatay ki Jaintia. Ka SIT kan bud dini ki jing toket hapo ka jingalam jong IG Law and Order but kipulen kila shimi ki sinjam ban pingat ki badan kti ha ka mukadduma.
Yes, following the 3 arrests made earlier this morning, District Police has arrested the Assistant Organizing Secretary of the KSU and who is also the President of the KSU unit, Nongmensong. So, tally of arrests till today is 4 people, and he has been produced in court.
So has been judicial custody?
We are asking for custody.
What is his name?
Jeremiah Potney.
Okay, what about the one of the 5 masked men? He also has been arrested.
Yes.
What is his name?
No, that's this one. The person. This is the person.
The same person.
That means the masked man you're talking about is the same person.
Yes.
So how does the investigation is progressing? How is it progressing?
It is in progress. SIT has been formed now, and it is being monitored by the IG Law and Order. And so there's a lot of steps being taken to ensure that we identify and arrest the accused and charge sheet the accused at the earliest.
The sit is headed by
the IGLO. It is a challenge because people are unmasked, but there are different ways of actually identifying the persons.
Kata bagi semakat Sngi sangka.
Senyapkan ke TMSIS. Mo.
Gak jingïada bahasa yang sorkar, hantam ya ikut ya sutom.
Ini kena hapsa dari sama. Adhar MHIS card ni.
Untuk mulai karakter kata.
Jadi kon pi hap admit di ka hostel, dah hap lek pi ka registration. Tele dam pi de smart card, ta sampah cok.
Oh dokter dan lah ya.
Yang ni kon pi hap lek operation ni yo. Te gua kam to hap penjan ni pi ya ka perisa ka. Hap lek operation ni. Ta ko PM MHIS card pi dan ni smart card. Tengah try membayar ri pi.
Ri nak pagi mon lek yo perisa sumar ni kon. Abda ni ksir yo sumar. Kebelah si bona kalau Jylla atau persangkafu ni ya.
Ini kan mana dia smart card.
Oh kan teh. Kebelah si bon. Mo.
Thank you.